Welcome to my channel. Sophie Rain is a famous Instagram star and content creator born on September 22, 2004 in Miami, Florida. She is 5'3" tall and become well known for her dance trends, lip syncing and POV videos. Sophie began posting on social media in April 2023 and has deeply gained 3.1 million followers. One of her most popular TikToks where she danced in a brown dress got over 1 million views. She is admired for her unique lifestyle and fashion sense. Sophie has a younger sister named Ray who also makes content. Even with her popularity, Sophie keeps most of her personal life private. Like, share and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.